Hindi pa man nakakatikim ng tagumpay ang Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Basketball World Cup. Matatamis na papuri naman ang hinakot ng rookie na si AJ Edu mula sa mga nakatapat niyang NBA stars. Nagbabalik si Rafael Bandayrel.
Kakaunti pa lamang ang nakakakilala kay Gilas Pilipinas rookie AJ Edu bago magsimula ang FIBA Basketball World Cup. Pero pagtapos ng dalawang laro sa pandaigdigang entablado, nabihag ni Edu ang mga puso ng kanyang mga kababayan dahil sa hindi matatawarang effort na ipinamalas niya sa depensa. Sa unang dalawang laro ng Gilas, si Edu ang naatasang bumantay sa mga dekalibreng NBA big man na sina Karl Anthony Towns ng Dominicana at Bruno Fernando ng Angola. Pagtapos ng mga naturang laro, pareho ang bukang bibig ni na Towns at Fernando tungkol kay Edu.
I just said number 15 and obviously the other guy, Edu, you know, tough guy. He made it tough for me all night. I try to do certain things that I just, you know, weren't working, but credits to them, man. They came out, paid attention to details, and did their best.
I think fantastic player. He's an ultra competitor. Love the competition he brought tonight. It makes me better, and you know, Filipinos are a culture that don't give up, and they played hard as I expect. This culture is nothing but hardworking people.
Samantala, narito naman ang komento ni Edu tungkol sa mga natanggap niyang mga papuri.
I mean, yeah, that's just amazing right there. Yeah, I didn't know he said that. That's awesome. And I mean, you know, that's the whole point of it. You know, you want to be competing with those guys, especially, you know, if that's the level I'm aspiring to one day.
Magbabalik aksyon si Edu at ang buong Gilas national team bukas sa kanilang huling laro sa group phase. Makakatunggali nila ang Italia sa isang must-win game para sa host team. Rafael Bandayrel, PTV Sports.